Hello everyone, today we're going to learn the basic of a programming language using C. Let me get right into it. I'm going to show you a C language, a C code for printing hello world. This is a complete C code for printing hello world. I don't know whether it's your first time seeing a code, but don't get scared even if it's not the first time. And most of my friends, while we were studying, they don't know why we use these things. They just by heard it, so they usually get very frustrated. But today, I'm going to tell you why we are using this, and I'm going to give an analogy. So just right now, just know that the purpose of this code is to print this hello world. Hash include stdio.h main printf. So suppose we are building a building, right? This is a building. The purpose of this building, right, is to give shelter, maybe, whatever. And in order to build this building, we need several things like cement, bricks, some wood, maybe for this window frame, and many other things. So the purpose of this building is to give shelter. In order to build this building, we need this kind of raw materials, right? The purpose of this code is to print this hello world. In order to print this hello world, we need these things. We can say these are the raw materials. So maybe you can say that, why are we using printf? Why are we using hash include stdio? I don't want to use it. I want to use other things, right? You can do it. You can make your own print statement. You can write your own code, but that will take time, and there's a huge chance that you will fail. In the same way, while you are building this building, you can buy this cement, bricks, wood, and whatever other things. You can buy it from the market, right? But you can say that I don't want to buy it. I want to make by myself. It's possible if you have the raw materials, but it will take you time, and there's a huge chance that you will fail, right? So the best way or the easiest way is to buy it from the market. But if you want to make your own cement, bricks, a wooden frame, or paint, maybe, it's possible. Other people are also doing it. It's possible, but it will take you time, and your chance of failure is very high. The same way, in order to print this hello world, we are using this printf. We are using this stdio.h include. You can write your own print statement, but it huge chance that you will fail. So we are just happy with printf, right? These things are written by some other people, and it's very useful. So we don't need to write our own print statement. So this hash include stdio.h. This is a header file. This is a library. When I say library, the way I want to explain it. Under this library, there's a different function you can use, like this printf, scanf, and other things are there. In order to understand more clearly, let's look at this building. Let's say you buy a wood, right? You buy a set of wood, let's say, not just a wood, but a set of wood, and this wood comes with like a door frame, maybe door frame, and some window frame, some table, maybe. When I say you buy a wood, the wood comes with all these things, right? It's very good wood. The shop sends you all these things. I say, when you say you want wood, they send you all these things, right? So when you buy a wood, you get these things, right? So if you want to use the door frame, you just take from the wood, the door frame, you put it here. If you want a table, you have a table, right? Because you already buy the wood, the table comes with the wood. In the same way, if you want, there are different kind of functions, right? You can look it up afterwards. So hash include std, this is one function. There's a function like hash include math.h. So you can use all the functions which the math.h comes with. Yeah, that's the main meaning of this code. This is the main function. In C, every code should be inside the main function, so you just need to follow that thing. It's the syntax, right? A house, purpose, shelter. In order to build the house, you need these raw materials. You can think this as a library. A code, the purpose of the code to print hello world. In order to print this, you need this library, these things, these functions, right? In order to, the functions, wood, the functions is the wood. The function is the studio. In order to build the window frame, the wood comes with the door window frame. In order to print this one, the stdio comes with the printf hello world. Okay, thank you.